In this video, I'll show you how to duplicate a page in Google Docs. The first thing to know is that Google Docs does not have a dedicated one-click duplicate page button. Google's official community answers generally point users to a manual workaround instead, which means copying the content you want, creating a new page, and pasting it there. Google's keyboard shortcuts page also confirms that Ctrl+Enter is the shortcut for inserting a page break. So here's the easiest method. Open your Google Doc and scroll to the page you want to duplicate. Select all of the content on that page, then copy it. After that, place your cursor where you want the duplicate page to appear and insert a new page break. You can do that from Insert, then Break, then Page Break, or by pressing Ctrl+Enter on Windows or Command+Enter on Mac. Once the new blank page is created, paste the copied content onto that page. This gives you a duplicate version of the original page inside the same document. If the page includes only normal text, this usually works well. If the page contains images, tables, or more complex formatting, check the layout after pasting. Because Docs flows content continuously and the pasted version may not always land in exactly the same way. That formatting issue is also commonly noted in Google Docs community discussions and third-party walkthroughs. If your goal is to duplicate the entire document instead of just one page, then the easier option is File, then Make a Copy. But that creates a copy of the whole document, not just one page. So for a single page, the practical method is still copy, insert a page break, and paste. So the full process is simple. Copy the content from the page you want to duplicate, insert a page break where you want the new copy to go, and paste the content onto that new page. That is the standard way to duplicate a page in Google Docs today. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.